yeah, just in the kitchen right now. I'm gonna be starting off a little bit of cooking and thing, and you know what I mean, trying to make a little bit of sauce, and also we're gonna make some lovely. This is some yeah, jerk season. Look, can you guys see? Yeah. Here it is. One of the best ever from Chef Ricardo right here. All right. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to make this an amazing recipe. It will be coming very soon on my YouTube channel. So please stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo. We have a lot more ideas and tips for you. All right. Stay tuned. color and the whole texture of this is an amazing. Alright? This is exactly what me I talk about. You get the pepper?
Yeah.
Yeah, the boss!
Come on. Yeah.
Wash off some pepper, alright?
Cool.
Wash off some pepper and just drop it down straight inside of it. We're gonna make that. Probably will drop about 3 more in it, innit? Natural season and everything.
Chef Ricardo in the building.
Yeah, man. Alright, so now we're gonna, right here as you can see, we just start blending up some natural blending season right here to marinate this an amazing recipe. We got some chicken wings and also we got some, what is that? Lamb chops, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this one is all about guava grill, lamb chops, and the amazing chicken wings right here. Doing a process of doing that. You're gonna make jollof rice today?
Yeah.
Sell off. Nice one. Yeah. So the jerk season, yeah? The jerk season is like, what you say?
Wicked and bad.
No, it's kind of bad. Drop it down straight inside. That's what's going on. We're gonna put what's ready, minute.
Yeah.
Blend this together right now, man.
Right.
But as I said, it's just an amazing. It's just the sauce is so fantastic, lovely, tasteable sauce, and honestly, it's just one of these things. You wanna, blend
Ready?
it. Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah, man. Go ahead, man. Yeah. Alright, nice one. So the sauce is finished. Alright, and that's the way it looks. Alright. Amazing.
Ooh.